Everyone, and welcome to break 1194 for the 2019 Leaf Valiant football box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Friday, October 11th, 2019. It's 10:15 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:15 p.m. Central Time, and 7:15 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Daniel, 5 spots. P-Town, 1 spot. Speedy with 10. Nizam, 1. Kelly, 5. Urjack, 1. Mike, 3. Kenneth, 2. BSBR, 2. JC Murphy, 1. And Tony, 1. Spot that is. We're going to randomize our list here 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Daniel on top. Tony bottom once. Twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7, Kelly on top and bottom. Alright, Kelly has the Cardinals, Urjack Falcons, Michael Ravens, Daniel Bills, BSBR Panthers, Michael Bears, Speedy Bengals, Kenneth Browns, BSBR Cowboys, Speedy Broncos Lions, Kenneth Packers, Nizam Texans, Speedy Colts, Michael Jaguars, Kelly Chiefs, Speedy Chargers, Kelly Rams, Daniel Dolphins, Speedy Vikings, Daniel Patriots Saints, P-Town Giants, Speedy Jets Raiders, Daniel Eagles, Speedy Steelers, Kelly 49ers, Tony Seahawks, Speedy Buccaneers, JC Murphy Titans, and last but not least, Kelly with the Redskins. Alrighty. So we are sealed up. Alright, let's get those seals. Okie dokie. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we have and then look them up. Let's start with DeMarcus Lodge. Valiant Green Auto. So that's 5 out of 75. Then we have Jace Sternberger. Magenta. 7 out of 15 for Jace. Mr. Kyler Murray All-American Auto. Very nice. And that is 24 out of 25 for Mr. Murray. And last but not least, we have David Sills the 5th. Gem Mint 95 Blue. Just like Kyler. Out of 25. 11 out of 25, David Sills the 5th. Auto 10 per Beckett. Let's go back through and see who is getting what? Kyler is also on the cover. Pretty cool. All right, let's check out DeMarcus here. So current team, who they were drafted by, if they aren't playing for anybody. Let's see what we get. DeMarcus. There he is. Let's see what he's doing. Looks like the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. So the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tampa Bay Buccaneers is going to Speedy 800M. Congrats, Speedy. First up for DeMarcus. And we have, if I can pick him up, Jace Sternberger. Third round pick for the Green Bay Packers, currently on injured reserve, unfortunately. Kenneth, congrats on Jace. Then we have the All-American Auto, Kyler Murray. $24 out of $25 All-American Kyler Murray Auto. Blue. Very nice. Kyler Murray. First round pick, first overall, Arizona Cardinals, who are currently 1-3-1. Rough start, but Kyler Murray, Arizona Cardinals, is going to Kelly. Congrats, Kelly, on the Kyler Murray. And last but not least, David Sills, the 5th blue auto, Gem Mint 95 will go to David Sills, the 5th. Looks like he's currently, so he was undrafted. That is confirmed here. So he was with the Bills. We're not going to randomize because it's not like he's retired or anything. He is active, and he is on the practice squad for the New York Giants. So he is an official member of the New York Giants. Ooh, spelled Giants wrong. So he is on the practice squad. So New York Giants is going to P-Town 3492. Congrats, P-Town, on the David Sills the 5th. Blue. And that was break 1194 for the 2019 Leaf Valiant football box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, click that red subscribe button. Check us out on social media, Instagram and Twitter. And you can follow us and check us out on eBay at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.